What it do, baby? We're back with the Fender Bender. Today we're over here in Green Auto Works. Let me switch the camera. Green Auto Works. We're gonna fit these new wheels. These are, let me, Geoland tires. Geolandar? What's it? I don't know what brand that is. But the older one, they're really. These ones are 265 70 R17. You see over here. But the ones over here, let me see the size because they're, as you can see, they're much bigger if I stand behind them. You see the difference. But if I go down, you will see that these are here. They are 315 70 R17. That's fucking crazy. See the difference? Look, if I stand back, you're gonna see there's pretty significant difference. The car is out. The car is up on the jack now, but I'm not sure. They were checking it in. They already put the bigger tire, but the problem is when you turn left or right, it touches over here in this corner. So they're trying to figure out what they could do to not have it, like straight. If you go over here, let me show you something. Look at the suspension. So they remove the suspension. They're gonna install King shock absorbers. Let me show you. 1 second. Here, King Off-Road Racing Shock. These are so how to come. Let me ask how much the shock absorbers cost. See where these guys went because I have no idea. What's up? Okay, can't find them, but let me go back to recording. This one is the F-150 XL. This is, I believe, a 2024 model. The car barely has like 14, I think. I need to ask my friend about the mileage of the car, but it's pretty low mileage. The car is fairly new, but it's getting some touches with the wheels, the shock absorbers, and I think even the bumper. This bumper is gonna change the bumper. You know what's crazy is how much of these rims they have over there. You see, what's the name of the brand? Method. It's fucking packed. Excuse my language. But and it's also packed with GMCs over here. Look at how many you have. F-150, F-150, GMC. You know, I was talking to my friend and we were saying, maybe, like a friendly talk, that imagine how if I turn my C63 into a Dakar style a sports car. Imagine I could take it to the desert because I remember only with the E400, I got stuck in the sand and I wasn't even exactly inside the pit. So I was on the road and the car got stuck. So imagine that. But it's actually possible to turn the car into a Dakar style sports car. Yeah. Let me see where my friend is. I'm gonna give him a call because there's nothing happening. Maybe on the other side they're working with the suspension. Let me see. So on this side it still haven't started, but we look over here. This is the aftermarket one the kid's gonna put. I think, yeah, this is the King chocolate Georgia. So they took apart the whole thing and they're gonna put the new one here. Look at how they took it apart. Man, that's crazy. And you can see the car is low mileage. Why? Because you can see how clean it is. The chassis is very clean. So it shows that, there's not that many miles on the car. Look at also the mud guard. Oh man, it's too hot here, bro. All of you. Come on, dude. Really? Ah. Okay, in the chair. I just throwing things up and they're gonna put it on. Today. Bro, I looked here, they moved the car. I was like, okay, where is this car? And then I look here, okay, interesting. Inshallah. Put the wheel, looks amazing. I think they also put the other side. Let's see the other side. Yes, perfect. And then you go here, what the fuck is happening in the back? What is this? I will move backwards so you can see what it looks like. What? Someone's dyslexic though. Now we're gonna remove it. Oh, about damn time. Look at how they look. So the other wheels are gonna go in the back of the truck. This guy has space in the back. We have these are the perks of a SUV because you have a storage compartment in the back. So you can easily put the wheels and all that. The heavy duty, the truck at the end of the day. See this? Yeah, you have so much space to put stuff in the back. And it's only a two-door, so it gives you even more space. Unlike a four-door version. Listen, can I ask you a question? The four-door version, do they have the same amount of space in the back? No. No? Because they need space for the doors in the back and there's space in the back. So they shorten the back.
Four-door
Yeah.
is a 5.5-inch bed. This is a 6.5-inch bed or 6.2-inch bed.
Because
6.2 foot, I mean. كلها بالفوت. feet.
how much is it in inches?
No fucking no. 6-inch foot is 12 inches. So
Wait, this is how many feet?
sure.
This is how many feet?
6.2 feet.
The four-door?
The bed. And then four doors 5.5 feet. 5.7 feet.
6.2, 5.5. How much less is that? 6.2, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 7 feet difference. Yeah. Guys, comment in the write down in the comments below if that math was mathing because I am not sure of the exact dimensions of this car. But yeah, it seems like they forgot the back. Look at the difference. Nice. Now they're emptying the wheel out. Yeah, guys. You wanna clean it? Clean the pipe. Running smoke. Yeah. No, they actually have painting over here. The spray painting cars. Look at this. Look at them turning around. Clean this. They call it. Look at that. Interesting. They have so many facilities. Over here you have a jack. You have multiple jack. No, multiple. There's one over here. Where's the other jack? I think I saw another one. It's only one jack. But they have equipment, to raise the car. What do you guys call them? Write down in the comments what you call these equipment. Something like this. What is that? Is that a moving jack? Yeah. Pretty interesting. Huh? Open, What's that? I didn't get in reverse. Wow. Is it in reverse? No. Huh? These are not the reverse lights?
No, no. Purpose on the back.
Ah, okay, brake. But why are they that color?
You can have them be white. I think.
Actually,
Yeah.
I thought it should be all red. What? This is the GC. Ah, yeah, GCC, obviously. Yeah, yeah. Mother.
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's see the other side, what's going on now. Holy shit. Yeah, they remove the wheel in the back. What's going on here? Oil change. I think this is the wheel, right? This is yours.
So,
Yeah. عندهم زبالة هنا. Oh, this. They have a garbage over here. Oh, but the other guy looks like Page on there. Remember, you guys remember him? He was in the previous videos. Previous videos when I changed my wheels and the wheels blow up and all that. He was in the videos as well. You see how much of a difference these rotors are compared to the 253? MashaAllah. Look at that. This is the final product. Now this guy wants. Alhamdulillah. Bro, I have to sneeze. Look at this, bro. It actually looks slick. Much nicer, man. Look from the sides. It kind of sticks out. It's not bad. From there. See? Look at the space. How much it sticks out. Even here. See how much it sticks out. Yeah. Interesting. يلا طلعها. بيلف.
no, no.
So it's touching. Touching. Let's see the other side. How it looks. Damn. Not over here. When you turn it to the other side, this starts touching, but they're saying that you need to remove this. But apparently it's not gonna pass the inspection. Hell no. So that's gonna be all for today's video. I hope you liked and enjoyed this install for these new wheels. And let me know in the comments down below, what do you want us to release in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe down below, let us know what you think of this Ford F-150. Min Fares from Fender Vendors, and I'll see you on the next one.